In this video, we will provide a brief introduction to computerized maintenance management software, often referred as CMMS, and a detailed demonstration of our tool. EZmaintain.com offers a web-based maintenance management software in the cloud, which is ideal for factories and facilities, whether they have single or multiple locations. Users can easily track each maintenance task from a desktop or mobile device. Simple user interface allows team members to work together to their maximum potential to increase efficiency and decrease downtime. Companies who use computerized maintenance management software have faster response time during breakdown maintenance, and EZmaintain.com allows management to plan and schedule around preventive maintenance. This type of planning allows for maximum uptime for all assets as well as overall improvement of asset life and reduction in the loss of production time, all while maintaining the quality of the end product. EZmaintain.com also provides ISO compliant audit reports. Now, I will give you a demonstration of EZmaintain.com so you can see how easy it is to use and how useful it will be for your company. I am using a pre-populated account to give you a demo of our tool. All assets, locations, users are already added to the account. There are 4 parts of the basic tool: master user, maintenance user, production user, and store or inventory user. The master user does all the set for the tool. Let's call him maintenance dispatcher for our demonstration. He can add, delete any user, add assets, input inventory details, and a lot more. First, let's walk through the standard features offered by EZmaintain.com. Once we log in from the home page as the maintenance dispatcher, we land at the user dashboard. All the locations, units, users, and asset data can be added from Master Data tab. I will not go much into these details now on how to do the setup because it's covered in a different presentation. In this video presentation, I am focusing on showing you how all the stakeholders interact at EZmaintain.com. Our example for this video involves Cleveland Auto Component Inc., a die casting division which is a leading manufacturer of automobile components based in Cleveland. So the asset registry is pre-populated in accordance with their business. Let's start first from the production side using a separate browser. A production user can only create work order request from his account for the asset that the maintenance dispatcher has authorized. To create a work order, simply click the Add tab. And a new work order template will pop up. Here we need to let someone else know that the drilling machine has stopped working. Select category. Then the assets that the user has the rights to will appear. Then select maintenance type. In this case, I will select breakdown, select priority, and I am going to select medium for this problem and then add the failure date and time. You can also upload image of the incident if you feel an image would help you communicate the problem better, or even add a short 3-minute video. In this description area, you can specifically describe the problem. For this problem, I might say the motor of the drilling machine is not working and the AC power light is glowing. I would select the image as well as the video and wait for the upload to take place. Once uploaded, I'll click on the Create button to generate work order. Each order is assigned a unique work order number automatically. Now, this work order will be available for the maintenance dispatcher to view remotely. Now let's get into the maintenance dispatcher account. Once we log in, we can view the work order tab. Here you will see all work orders created by any production user. As the master user or maintenance dispatcher, you can view the details and assign the work order to appropriate maintenance engineer to address the problem. You can also add comments to the work order. Like in this case, I am adding a note. The problem could be due to tripping of the circuit breaker. Check that first. Once I click an action button, the work order is assigned to Paul Breaker, a sub-maintenance user in our example. He will then get an email alert that the work order has been assigned to him, and he can view it by logging into EZmaintain.com. He can also schedule the date and time when he can review the problem. Let's log in from the maintenance user side and see the dashboard. This is the maintenance user screen where he can see the work order allocated to him. This screen allows him to click and view the details of the work order. He can also schedule the date and time he would tentatively like to finish the work order. Once the information is inputted, it automatically gets communicated to the production team who raised the work order. It is also updated on the master user screen at the same time as well. Let's say that our maintenance user visits the drilling machine and realizes that he needs spare parts to fix the machine. He can order from the catalog in the program, which is like a shopping cart. Let's add the circuit breaker. That needs to be replaced in the cart for our example. Then a copy of the spare part request goes to the inventory user who keeps the order parts ready for the issue. The inventory program portion in the program is optional, but it can be useful for many companies. Let's log in into the inventory section. The inventory user goes through the newly made order requisition and issues the part based on availability by clicking on the Confirm tab. The updated status can be viewed by all users. In this case, we issue the circuit breaker as requested. Once the asset is repaired, we would log in from maintenance side and click View Work Order and mark the job as completed. A notification would go to the production team that the asset is fixed. Now let's go to the production side and log in. We can see that the work order task status is completed and we can close the work order with comments. The entire process will create an automated scheduled maintenance workflow which can ultimately lead to improved reliability of assets. In master user account, we can also set up preventive maintenance tasks from the master dashboard for single or multiple assets. Let's walk through how this works. We can start to configure a PM task by again logging as the master user. First select the asset and define when you want to schedule the auto maintenance task. In our example, we want to use 30 days. Then enter the task to be performed. Here I am adding regular oiling of moving parts and replacement of bearings. There is also an option to select a maintenance task that can be done by either an in-house team or an external agency. If we select an external agency, we need to fill in the company contact details and define contract duration. You can also attach a copy of contract if available by clicking the Add button. Now we have scheduled preventive maintenance task. In addition to simplifying scheduled maintenance workflow, EZmaintain.com also provides various reports and charts related to maintenance management in the Master User Analytics section. This enables management to analyze overall equipment effectiveness and implement reliability analysis. The benefits of using EZmaintain.com software are many. The biggest advantage is automated and centralized monitoring of work orders, faster response time to assets breakdown, tracking communication among stakeholders, managing spare part inventory, and also generating ISO compliant audit reports. The tool works from all devices including desktop, laptops, tablets or mobile phones as long as they have internet enabled. Because EZmaintain.com is hosted in the cloud, you don't have to worry about the IT or server issues. If you would like to get more information about our system, feel free to take a look at our website or call us directly. We will be happy to answer any additional queries or concerns you might have.